So hi, good afternoon. I'm here to share my views on the topic future of Twitter. As you can see, the Twitter has been invented by in 2006, and since then 2012 it has moved a lot of journey. Where it was a 140 word character messaging app that was developed for a closed group talk, and thereon it has been on a very fast pace of growth. And since then, the logic of the Twitter or the basis of the Twitter is the less is more, where it is limited to 140 characters, and basically uh, you want to convey the message that basically you want to convey the message in smallest possible words. Okay. So where are we heading? What is our growth story? So some facts. Who are the users? Twitter has 500,000 tweets per minute. Uh, 6,000, that comes around 6,000 tweets per second, and typically there are 139 million daily active users. It's a huge database or a huge user base who are using the Twitter, and typically it is 1.6 billion unique users are visiting per month, and the typically 67% of the user is the youngest age group which could be influenced, and out of that 27% of the users follow various brands. Now, why people are coming to Twitter? Typically, around 75% are coming for the news bites, what is happening across the world, and balance 25% are regarding the are being influenced through the web traffic, brand campaigns, or customer complaints, what the product reviews. So the future. By our current revenue is 1 billion, and by 2022 we want to take it to 2 billion Q4. By 2022 we will take it to 2 billion. That is almost double the jump of the current revenues. And how are we going to take it? Basically, our current news share is 75%, and the brand building, where the revenues come from, is around 25%. We want to take it to the 10% high, and by taking it 10%, it would increase my revenue to double. As I said that I want to take it to from 1 billion to 2 billion revenue in next 2 years. And how are we going to do it? It is we would be focusing more on the brand building and decision making of the customers, what brands to buy, whether they want to go to Nike or Puma or any other brand. So it will influence the buying decisions. Product reviews, customer service, how is my customer being serviced, what my customers thinks about me, and how is my ad campaign moving out. Am I able to reach out to people, the correct set of people? What are the thinking, and how is it the trends are changing? So, what is the personal brand value? Who am I following, and who are my followers? How many followers are there? And recently there was a bite that Indian president, prime minister was being followed by White House. So, it is basically how we communicate and how we embrace ourselves to the world. Next, as the theme is less is more, and in the current turbulent times of COVID-19, we want to move to more focused approach. Like the key themes for the future will be online education. How can we educate the students via online, via Twitter, video blogging, some office bites, closed group talks, due to which, as the current times are of work from home, and there is offered by Office Bytes could help, and making Twitter in regional languages elaborated to the local level so that a local person in the regional language can use it and feel comfortable. That will increase our reach and user base. And local updates, what is happening in my town, how should I be able to know, or how am I able to reach to the world, what suppose I have done something new, and Twitter will become a media that I will be able to reach to the world and say what I want to say. So with these things, we will be reaching to 2 billion revenue, and let's leverage the current times to reach to our goal. Thanks.